Hello everyone, today is आज कौन सा दिन है? It really doesn't matter what day it is because every day feels like Sunday now. Hope you are doing well so far. This is Sumit and I'm doing my masters in product design from IDC IIT Bombay. I'm here to share a couple of my projects which are really close to me, and I just wanted to share the journey behind it, the story behind it, the fun part which we did while doing the project. So without any doing further delay, let's begin. This might be a long video, so I might upload it part wise. So do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it further. And try to make the journey as much fun as possible. Fun fact, people think that design is cool and all. Even I used to think that when I was into engineering. But later I realized that it's a damn serious profession. Yeah. Maybe after the doctors, engineers, or the lawyers, we are the one. Shut your fucking mouth! But for me, engineering was a dark past, man. We will discuss about it later. So now I'm going to discuss about my recent project, which we call as P3, which is my final year project. So my project is about designing, organizing accessories for the modern office spaces, and the target users are mainly the high-end users who are mainly executives or maybe the design enthusiasts. So mainly who loves buying accessories from Muji, Vitra stores or the IKEA. Also the target users for me as well. Now if you guys follow my work on Instagram, I do share quite a lot of work in progress stuff. So do check it out. But here I will share all the behind work and stories in details. Now I did not arrive to this design brief overnight. It was not like one day I just woke up and decided कि मेरे को ये project करना है. यार आज मैं फर्नीचर बनाऊंगा. और भाई तू क्या बना रहा है P3 में? यार मैं तो फर्नीचर बनाने का सोच रहा हूँ. चलो देखते हैं, मैं सर से बात करता हूँ. So can I make furniture for my P3? I have an idea. No. मम्मा I'm designing a furniture. बेटा गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर लो. मम्मी यार गवर्नमेंट जॉब मेरे लिए नहीं है. अरे तुम करके तो देखो यार. Yeah, so it almost took me 2 months to arrive at that design brief. As first, it's an exploratory project. And second, you have to think and design at system level. As in how you can benefit to a system level, how the system is functioning. You need to understand the system, the profit, the loss, the whole chain you need to look upon, and then critically analyze how your design can be implemented into that system. Or in other words, how a system design can be implemented. Now it could have been a different ball game altogether if this COVID shit would not have happened. But fuck it, we are not here to bitch about coronavirus. China. We will focus on our project. Now first thing first, this project idea was suggested by my professor. After all my project ideas got rejected. Yep, it happens. So he asked me, so tell me, what are you mainly interested in? Sir, I am more into making furniture. But you have already done that in your previous project. You have to try something new, man. Yes, sir, sure. Okay, let's do one thing. I'm giving you an area to look upon. You do a quick market research on it and present me tomorrow morning. Okay, sir, what is the area I need to look upon? Look upon wood and allied material accessory design for contemporary market and present me tomorrow morning 11 am sharp. Okay. So at first I didn't know that what all things accessories include, because there was various type of it. So I googled and down the page it started showing me a girl in a bikini. At first even I was like surprised कि मेरा प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ा अलग है यार, करते हैं बड़ा मजा आएगा. But then I realized, what am I doing with my life? I mean, this kind of slides gonna come while giving the jury, and what am I gonna write in the user studies? Things like that went on. So I was obviously not much interested at first, but then I looked upon it for the whole night and I tried to categorize it based upon what is it made up of. where is it used, kitchen, bathroom, indoor, outdoor. It really helped me understand market positioning of different kind of products and what kind of products are doing really great in market and stuff like that. Parallelly, I studied about the market, who makes it, industries at different level, current trends in the market, business sizes in India and global. I studied products and markets of brands like Muji, Vitra, 143 from US, accessories with combination of different material like wood with metal with ceramic, accessories for decor, accent accessories were all part of my studies. Now the sad part about searching for products on Pinterest is that you end up opening 250 new tabs instead of searching what you actually wanted to search. And the whole day passes by just like that. So be aware next time. It was really in a hodgepodge condition initially. As you can see, the whole design process can be defined by the line, and you can observe that it is very similar to life on the line. Now talking about industries at different level in India, it can be categorized into three parts: cottage industries, MSMEs and large industries. Now MSME can also be categorized into two sectors: manufacturing and service sectors. But our main focus here is manufacturing sector. Now in manufacturing sector also it can be categorized into three parts: micro, small and medium enterprises, which is based upon the investment and turnover limit of the enterprise.